as another 1,800 COVID-19 infections surfaced on Sunday. Ahmedabad once again reported the highest positivity ratio in the country. According to data provided by the National Command and Operation Center, 1853 people contracted the virus while 57 lost their lives. The total number of active cases throughout the country stood at 39,000, with 9,000 deaths having been reported since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. Ahmedabad had also figured on top on December 21st when it recorded 14,000% ratio of coronavirus cases. According to Sunday's data, the national positivity ratio was 5.57%, with Ahmedabad witnessing the highest rate, followed by Karachi at 13%. Faisalabad recording 10%. The ratio is calculated on the basis of positive results in 100 samples. The data also showed that Azad Kashmir reported 11% positive rate, Balochistan 7%, Sindh 7.3%. Overall, 314 ventilators out of the total allocated for COVID-19 patients were in use across Pakistan, with 54% occupied in Multan, followed by Islamabad. Novel coronavirus was first detected in China in December last year, which can be spread to other countries. Pakistan closed its borders and took a number of steps to stop the spread. The first case of the virus was reported in Pakistan in the last week of February. On March 13, the meeting of the National Security Committee, comprising top civil and military leadership, was held to discuss the crisis, which was declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization. Prime Minister Imran Khan, who had chaired the meeting, directed the relevant authorities to devise a comprehensive strategy to check the spread of the virus. Lockdown was announced on March 16, and a number of industries, educational institutions, restaurants, and marriage halls were closed. Difficult words spelling surfaced. SURFACED, ratio, RATIO, contracted, CONTRACTED, calculated, CALCULATED, devise, DEVISE.